Hey guys, Terry here. It's been a little while since I made a craft room video, and I've rearranged, just kind of fine-tuned. I had some stuff that I had in the general vicinity, and I've just done some cleanup. So I've done some baskets here, so stuff's more hidden. I've decided, what I'm using, and I have that out and available. Got some decorative items. Some wood block stamps on display. I don't have very many wood blocks, the older stamps, but have those out, and got my old typewriter and old cameras. This stand here is an IKEA stand. I think they even demo it as a camera stand, so must be what it's for. I love it. And then I have my Cricut and Brother Scan and Cut. I have them up on top of those plate racks for in your pantry when you put stuff up on, kind of make your shelves a little bit more versatile by having those. I've got those up so that the mats can be under it, and it's handy when I'm putting cardstock and getting it ready to load into the machine. So I like that. I like that I have those machines plugged in. I'm using them more often since they're plugged in. And then I've got my embellishments for scrapbooking and card making by colors. In these drawers I have ribbon and all kinds of stuff that's more, by color. So embellishments. These are the neutrals. And then I've got, I think, blues and purples and yellows and greens and reds and oranges. So easy to find. And then still have my die cutting stuff there. Books and stuff. I probably need to go through that. Cardstocks all arranged. I have my stamps by subject there. Have some new ones I need to file. And desk is still pretty much how it is with the Alex drawers underneath. That's working well. And then that's the desk that I set up, and my laptop is kind of on its way out, so I did buy a desktop computer. It's sitting on the floor, and then I've got one of our hand-me-down TVs as a monitor, and I'm liking that setup. So I'll just pan back. It's kind of dark in here. It's in the evening. But yeah. I've got it pretty well organized. I'm happy with everything. Some stuff that I'm working on. Something new. A friend turned me on to this. It's called Let's Make Art. And it is a water coloring kit. So I'll do a video on that soon. This is some scrapbook generation kits that I've been putting together. And then this is some new close to my heart stuff that I bought. Some paper card kits and some stamp sets. I think I bought 4 stamp sets. Let me pull those out. This is a new gal that I met. Her name is Michelle Reese, and I'll put a link to her Close to My Heart website. But she had an open house, so she had new products and some older products. And I thought these were beautiful. I couldn't resist the hedgehog. These flowers are beautiful. This one's a set that talks about crossing over the rainbow. So it's got a puppy dog and a kitty cat. So sympathy for pet loss. And then this one reminds me of the Gina K wreath builder. So I thought those shapes were real pretty. So that's what's going on in my area. Put in the comments what you've been working on. And like I said, I will zoom out one more time here. But I'm really liking how the room's working out. So thanks, guys.